So, who are these guys, Pig? This is the Blues, my son. Well, not really my son, but kind of like my cousin. Wow, a bird and a pig, wow. And this is Hal, and this is Bomb. Hey. Hey. Wow, pretty cool. Yeah! I love this place. Still sugared up? Yep! Okay, let's get out of the van. Well, here we are. Okay, I'm going to go hang out with Bottlebird and take our new friends over. Hey, Blues, can you take Bomb and Chuck somewhere else? No, we must stay. Fine. You go over in the homeroom. Okay, stop crowding me. Okay, stay over there. Okay, so you two, this is how we feed a velociraptor. Bring the crane back up. Nothing. Well, you guys want to go on a tour? Sure. You and Chuck. You guys stay here. We're going to come. Fine, you can come. Okay, so here we're going in the Jeep Wrangler. I'm going to stay here and make sure that you guys will be safe, okay? I'm on the intercom. Okay, we're all set. Where's the Dilophosaurus? Sorry, it must not be out right now. It must be sleeping. Dang it! Okay, let's go to the T-Rex area. No, there seems to be a protocol. You'll have to come back. No. Fine. And the next episode, Jurassic Bird, Part 3. This is Part 2. Part 3 will be called Jurassic Bird, the Final Wreck.